Alrighty, Project Outlander is complete. It was an easy fix for us. Fortunately, it could have been worst case scenario and the car was getting scrapped. It's not getting scrapped. We've used it for a good wee while. Here's Mr. Lee.
Did you call it Project Outlander?
Project Outlander.
Use the real name.
Okay, so the actual, we've given it a nickname. It's called Wed Dwagon.
Not Red Dragon.
No. Wed Dwagon. Why is it called Wed Dwagon, Lee?
Because when we bought the steering wheel cover, it had a red dragon on it.
Lee could not handle the steering wheel. It's pretty grim, so we just got
And stuck to it.
$10
$12.
steering wheel cover.
So it is what it is.
Yeah, it's for the camping gear. It's got UHF. It's got Apple CarPlay. What else has it got? Tent, awning, roof
tent,
rack.
sleeping bags, a portable espresso maker.
Yeah, it's
4
got.
new tires.
It is ready for its adventure to go across Australia. Sadly, it's not going across Australia with us.
And the good thing is,
Nice big boot.
it's easy to load because you think, oh God, that's really high.
Yeah.
And the spare tires are underneath, so everything is flat. There's storage, but yeah, it'll make a great little camper mobile for
Go on, open that driver's door.
somebody.
Yeah.
New seat covers. Anything you touch basically is new. So seat covers, steering wheel, Apple CarPlay's new.
We've got the CarPlay there. We've got the UHF down there.
It's called the CB radio, mate.
Yeah. It's a nice car now. So hopefully we've got somebody coming to look at it today. If this person doesn't come back today, we have a German chap on his way a few days away.
Rick,
Yeah. So fingers crossed the Outlander goes. Thanks for watching, guys.
push the buttons, all the buttons. The bell.